Hi, this is Yonson, also known as Yonson. I'm a Miami-based creative director and 3D artist. My work implores the theme of human connection, often introducing relevance to abstract compositions and surreal environments. What I love about AR is the capabilities it has to transport the viewer into a different world and provide that immersive experience. Urban escape is the juxtaposition between nature and urban life. The greenhouses are refuge for users seeking an escape from their current environment. Using Adobe Aero, I was able to expand my depth of work through AR, giving the user an immersive experience that is easy to use. I started by jumping into Cinema 4D and creating the base of the greenhouse, using realistic dimensions that can be applied into a physical space. After creating the surrounding plants, I exported it into Adobe Aero where I prepped the greenhouse for AR. One feature I loved about Aero is how quickly and easily I could share my experience. I simply hit the share button and a custom QR code is generated. I can easily share my experience and have users from around the world check out the Urban Escape project. Thanks to Adobe Aero, I'm able to share my experience with the world and can hopefully inspire others to push the boundaries of AR.